Hello everyone, welcome to my channel FlairbyMe here on YouTube, and I'm Melanie. You can follow me on my social media on Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook with the same name, FlairbyMe. And you can also check my Etsy shop, that is FlairbyMe on Etsy, and my website FlairbyMe.net. Alright, so before I start my class, I just want to announce that this class is part of the blog hub that is created by Sandy Nagel. So after this after you read my blog post, please make sure you hop over to Sandy Nagel website and blog. I will put the link on my description box below, so make sure you check my description box, and then you can just click and hop over to her blog and website. All right, and then make sure you also read my blog post after you watch this video, and then put your comment in there so I can count your name for my blog hub giveaway. And then what you're going to receive is the layout that I will create today, and also a little goodies from my Etsy shop. We're going to start. Canvas size is 10 by 10. Alright, and then I really like this paper. It's so beautiful, and I think it's perfect for Cinco de Mayo summer fun. And I'm going to show you really quick the paper inside. Is just amazing, and there's a cutout ephemera that you can cut, and the design is so gorgeous. Look at that, and there's some piñata in there as well. So the color is so vibrant, so colorful, happy color for summer, of course. Okay, so all right, just gonna show you. So I'm going to use some of the paper in here, which is I really like it. I already pre-cut my paper just to save you some time. Before I put the glue, I'm going to stain a little bit in here. So this one is Versa Magic, the chalk ink, and the color is gingerbread, that is GD062. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it, and I'm going to adhere it to my canvas. So I already pre-cut it, and then I also cut this one. So the size of this white cardstock is 8.5 by 8.5, and then this yellow one is 8.25 by 8.25. Okay, so that's that one. I'm going to just glue down this white one first. So I'm going to put it right at the center. Next is this one, and before I put in there, I'm going to stain a little bit at the edges. Okay, I'm going to put this. So next I'm going to put this one. And then I'm going to put it right over here. We're gonna use this one, and this one is also from the same paper collection. But before I do that, I'm going to add some vintage lace from my stash. Okay, so I'm going to put my lace right over there, and I'm going to put the glue. And then now I'm going to add this one, but I want this one to be a little bit more dimensional, so I'm going to add the foam adhesive, this one, and just okay, so just like that. And then I'm going to put it right over there. So I'm going to put it right over here. This one just at the bottom. I'm going to put it right over there. Put some glue. And then I'm going to put it right over here. A flower, and I cut it from this paper, also from the same collection. So I'm going to put this like that. For this one, I'm going to use my glue stick. Okay. Alright, and then I also cut this one, and this one is from the same paper as well. I'm just gonna put the glue stick right, and I'm going to put it right over here. Okay, now we're going to add some flowers, and I'm going to use this one, the orange one. I also is gonna use some of the flower from here. I already put it outside. So this one is Prima Floral Embellishment, and got the flower from there. And to put this one right over here like that. And then I'm going to add the orange flower, and I'm going to add this one as well. This one is the flower that I cut from the same paper with this. Alright, so I'm going to put that one in there, and let's see, and this one. Okay, then I'm going to put that one in there, and this one is right over here, just like that. All right, so first I'm going to glue down the flower, the bottom one first. Right over there. And then this one. Okay, now I'm going to glue this one down, and I'm just gonna use my glue stick. Okay, right, I'm gonna put this one right over there. Just like that. and this one. Okay, just like that. Then we're gonna put that one just like that, so you can put the picture right at the center. And then now I think we're gonna add some more flower. Okay, and I'm going to use this flower from Prima. I think this one is Get Flowers Studio. Alright, so I'm going to add like 3 more flower probably. Let's see, that one is yellow, that, and the orange one. Maybe this one, like that. I think I like it like that. That's cute. Alright, so I'm going to add the glue. So I hope you like it, guys, the tutorial. And then remember to put the comment on my blog post so I can count your name on my blog hop giveaway. And don't forget to put your comment on my video so I can enter your name into my YouTube giveaway. Alright, so thank you everyone for joining me in this class. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it, and I hope you can be inspired to create your own Fiesta or Cinco de Mayo layout. So the giveaway for the blog hop and on Sunday, May 6th. So make sure you put comment on each member's blogs, and then so you can they can enter your name into the giveaway. And also I'm going to announce the winner on my blog post on Wednesday, May 9th. Okay, so make sure you check my blog post, and also make sure you check on each member's blog as well. And so after this blog post, don't forget to hop over to Sandy Nagel blog and read her blog post and watch her tutorial, and don't forget to put your comment on her post as well. And then if you win, you will have 3 days to contact me, and if after 3 days you don't contact me, then I will pick another winner. Alright, so make sure you check my blog post, and thank you everyone for joining me tonight. If you like this video, please thumb up. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, so every time I go live or upload a new tutorial class, you will get notification. And thank you everyone for spending your time with me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.